Hi guys, I'm John from Gadaboutravellers, and today I'm here to tell you a story that happened with us. I took the drone from the beach shore. It was hovering above me. I allowed it to do the home point, which you should always do for safety reasons. If the drone loses contact with your controller or something happens, it can always come home by itself. So I took the drone from the beach and it was hovering above water because Sophia and Ricardo, our friends that were with us, they were surfing and doing some crazy surfing maneuvers, and I wanted to film them for our content. So I was playing with the gimbal. I was focusing on Sophia and Ricardo. I was using the RC controller, which is the big one with a huge screen, and the screen just turned gray. I couldn't see the drone. I just saw Sophia swimming towards the drone, and what Sophia saw was that the drone just landed very slowly on the water, and I couldn't do anything because the screen was completely frozen. Ricardo was closer, and he was able to swim, dive into the water. He grabbed the drone, and we just lost the drone. But not everything was lost because... ah shit, I forgot what I was gonna say. Ooh! Oh yeah, I just remembered. DJI sent us a box full of goodies. I'm gonna show you what they sent us. So, they sent us a brand new DJI Mini 3 Pro without water and salt in it. Look, there's no water. Beautiful. They sent us also a battery, and you guessed it, without any salt and no water. Look, there's no water. And a cap, a DJI cap, and it fits. And they also were very nice because they sent us this very cool postcard apologizing for what happened and thanking us for being their customers. Very cool, DJI. Thank you. We called DJI. They told us that we should access our account that we created when we bought the drone first, and you just go to DJI support, you submit the case, you explain what happened with the drone, and they ask you a very important thing, which is the flight record. So this drone takes record of every flight every flight that you do. It will keep a record where you were, the place you were, what you did, how long it took. In this case, the flight that caused the drone to drop on the water had more or less 2 minutes, and we had to film it with our phones and send it to them. And in this case, they were able to see that it was a system failure, and that's why they gave us a brand new drone. If you have any questions about this, we're gonna give you the link where you can submit your claim if this happens. However, if you have any questions on how to do this, please contact us. We will be very happy to support you and help you for you to have a brand new drone without paying anything if something like this happens, because it has happened before in a few cases, so you must be very careful with it. So now it's gonna be time to film some shots with our brand new DJI drone. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe. Bye!